Today I will be sharing with you the easiest way to complete a NuFun Activities foil transfer. Before starting, I would suggest to begin preheating your iron to cotton setting and making sure that steam is turned off. Cut the adhesive sheet included in your kit to your preferred design. Although scissors may work just fine to cut your design during this step, today I will be using my cutter, which to note is designed so that I need to flip my design before sending it over. Now that your design is cut, it is appropriate to use your scissors to cut the remaining pieces of the adhesive sheet off. For a design like mine with multiple separate pieces, I will need to peel the glossy adhesive that surrounds each letter. A key factor to this process is to note that with letters like O and D, the glossy adhesive will still be present inside of those letters. So it is best to use something like a toothpick or an object with a sharp point at the end to carefully pick and peel away that extra adhesive. Your adhesive should now look like this, noticing that you can only see those glossy parts of where you want your design to show up. Now let's talk about ironing surfaces. It's actually best not to use your ironing board and instead use a hard surface. For example, what I'll be using today is a wooden cutting board. To protect the board from being damaged by the heat from the iron, I'm just going to lay a pillowcase right over it. On top of that pillowcase, now I'm going to lay my fabric down, flatten it out, make sure there are no wrinkles, and place my cut design glossy side down on my fabric. And now it's time to iron. Before you iron, make sure that the steam is turned off. Now press down on your adhesive. Be careful not to touch your adhesive right after ironing, as it will be very hot. Now that my adhesive is cooled down, I'm going to peel it off of the surface of the fabric. Note that best results will occur when you peel at a sharp 90-degree angle. Your next step will be taking your foil from your transfer kit, along with a piece of parchment paper. Now place your foil over the desired transfer area, covering your adhesive. Make sure that the foil side is placed up and the matte back side is placed down. Place your piece of parchment paper over that foil and get ready to iron. And immediately remove that parchment paper while still waiting until the foil is cooled down to touch. Once the transfer is cooled, peel the foil at a sharp 90-degree angle. And now you have your new customized transfer. It's as easy as that.